tension.
This is what we are gonna have. नहीं. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. In the previous vlog, you must have already watched what we had in the morning, and then we had some rest, and now we are on our way to the club. So we'll start the vlog from there. In case you haven't watched the previous vlog, I'm putting up the link here. Please go check it out. So Bagu puts a vlog kasa zato.
चलो सी यू गाइस बाय पटकन तैयार हो गया कहीं जाऊँगा इट्स वेरी हॉट
I'm carrying this because I need to keep all the mobiles and our locker keys in it safely. Keep the light on top. See the struggle. And now it's time to wear this hat. I had no other color. This is the what I got, so I have to wear now. Can't help it. Why do I feel like I look like a Sardar? I do look like a Sardar in this now. Time for a swim. I usually wear my specs and swim. I can't see anything. Goggles, so I didn't get. Oh, freaky thought. Wait, baby, thought. Baby was smart enough to get. Go direct. Where your float? Go. Go. Why you stop? Go get your float. Baby, what are you doing? All set?
Yeah, just checking my phone because for the next 1 hour I will not be able to.
Give it to mama. Are get one which is already open, no? So this you have to sit and open now. I'll write. You go.
Jump me.
Here, so baby, you also go for a shower. You also have to. Done swimming. All good. Also lost a lot of weight, no? Oh, this fellow is removing his. Remove, no? You need to learn now on your own how to remove it also.
I'll help.
Help. Done. Very good. Keep it back there.
Take your cap.
Chalo, let's go. Just got done with swimming. Now we'll go and take the steam. Phew. Swimming is the best exercise. We feel fresh. We feel good. This is our second day. Hope we continue it and not stop. No, baby.
Yes, whatever he says.
Chalo. We're going freshening up and we are going to take a steam. Go sit. This is our steam room. Luckily only we two are there now. So not much of a problem.
And we are waiting for the magic of steam.
Yeah, it will start now. I've asked them to turn it on. Oh, it's already a bit warm. But I'll show you when this entirely turns white. Steam has started. Now it will be entirely filled with this vapor. Steam is all set. Now I need to turn off the mobile. I won't be able to use it for the next 15 minutes.
Just done. Waiting for baby and Hriday. Let's see what they're up to. I think they'll take some time. Baby? Yeah, I'm out, huh?
So we freshened up. Hey, baby is there. I had a good steam. What about you? Nobody was there. Nicely, we sat for 15 minutes. Hriday came out early, of course, he couldn't take the heat that much. And got ready. Let's sit inside for some time. Come. Hriday, what are you reading? Arey wow, nice. Continue. Feeling so fresh. But hungry. What's there to eat?
I have made palak dal and
Okay.
rice
And उसके साथ क्या?
boiled eggs.
हाँ हो गया sorted है. चलो good. Should we take some ऐसा potato bhaji or something with that dal rice?
Bhaji?
हाँ
Bhaji?
नहीं क्या बोलते हैं उसको बटाटा क्या?
Bhaji.
भज्जी बटाटा भज्जी. सेम ही तो है रे बटाटा भज्जी क्या है?
Bhaji means vegetable.
हाँ ठीक है जो भी है. We'll take one plate of that. So with that दाल खिचड़ी के साथ दाल राइस के साथ अच्छा टेस्ट आता है. Mango season is here. Are you taking? Anything else we need? ये आमरस है कि क्या है?
मैंगो मिल्क शेक
ये take it, no, we'll take it.
10 रुपये का आधा किलो
पैकेट कितना है? देखो देखो. पैकेट ही ले लेते हैं ना.
Take one packet हमारा नहीं है ना? We know the difference.
सेम है क्या बोला कि अलग? सेम है.
ये सब पीने के लिए देते हैं।
हाँ, the same thing we used to have. हाँ. और एक पैकेट की one packet enough? हाँ. Milk का milk तो एक ही है.
आप आए नहीं करते कब आओगे? बोल देते हो.
This. We enjoy having these kulfis.
You want this flavor?
कौन सा भी चलेगा दोनों है.
निकिता आ रही है.
हाँ तो ले.
Let's take more. बस.
Go ahead, close this. I'll get it. So apparently the potato bhajis are not hot, so we are going ahead with the samosas. They are there. चलो सर. 3 समोसा पार्सल. और आमरस. Oh, look at that. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho.
वो छोटा कट किया क्या मैंने?
छोटा किया है. It's fine. चलो. Oh ho ho. भाई साहब. Oh, too good. मजा आएगा अभी. This is what we are gonna have now. Baby's made amazing palak dal, rice, samosa. We couldn't get क्या बोल batata bhaji. So we got samosa and we have boiled egg and onions. Amazing. Time to hog in. So guys, we had an amazing sleep. I don't know, I dozed off to sleep after swimming and after eating that amazing food. And now we are going down just for a walk and maybe to buy a few more vegetables.
We
So,
didn't buy only. तभी we went while coming, so it was not.
oh, you didn't get out. I thought you must have got.
I thought
Okay.
of going to another shop क्योंकि उधर थोड़ा महंगा था.
Okay. Chalo. So that means you're going to get a lot of vegetables then.
Yeah.
And just go for a walk here
Also,
and there
this
and
is
come.
that new T-shirt.
Yeah, she's already started opening the things that she bought the other day. We haven't showed you guys as yet, but already this is the second pair that she's removed. So, ठीक है. Hriday, what are you standing like Iron Man there?
This machine is flawed, I feel. So yesterday it showed अभी आज
I'll
2
show you
किलो
what's happening.
सडनली
73 दिखा रहा है ना बराबर.
हाँ yesterday it was 75
And before
हाँ,
mine
so 1.5,
was
no?
और इतना
27.
जल्दी थोड़ी होता है
होता है इतना जितना खाया तो ठूसा
Mine
इतना.
was, before mine was 27 point, what you say, 55.
And now
What you say, I forgot.
चलो
27 ही है ना. ये छोकरा 27 ही है. 27 ही है ना.
70.
और 27. हाँ, so एक ना 30-40 ग्राम तो चलेगा ही चलेगा. कुछ भी मम्मी बोलती है उसका वही सेम बोलने का उसको और कुछ नहीं. चल सेम थिंग यू वांट टू से व्हाट मम्मा सेज सर. You and your mama's boy, no? Whatever mama says.
boy
No. Caught you. You're not mama's boy. You don't like mama.
I like mama.
You like mama, but you don't love mama, no?
wait I'm not wearing shoes चल रिदा
You don't love mama. I do. Hey, turn on the light. Fan. अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. Done, baby.
yes
क्या क्या लिया?
lemons eggs
हाँ लेमन कितने में मिला?
this I got for 30 rupees
अरे फिर भी महंगा है.
हाँ
ठीक है बट ठीक है लास्ट मोमेंट में क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
and I got
चल
eggs.
कमिंग ना.
हाँ, you go
अरे कम ना. What do you do?
अरे my friend is coming
हाँ so from here directly go to pick her up, no? चला जाना. Did I call no mama? You are तो गुस्सावेंग here without even calling mama. ठीक है चल you go home. I'm going to play. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
हेलो दिए इसको पैसे आजा हाँ बता कैसी है
तुमने बनाई तो अच्छी होगी.
ठंडी है ना
गुड.
It should not be like off the record. It's different, different review or on the record.
ये नहीं रे बेबी सच्ची अच्छी बनी है तूने
Even I had. Usually I don't have.
इट्स नाइस इट्स रियली नाइस. पूजा नहीं बनाई है ना कि रेडीमेड में पानी डाल के दूध डाल के.
आजा मेरे
You're trying to impress. Do it. Do it one more. Do it.
बच्चे नहीं करते वो दिखा रहे हैं इंडिया के बच्चे कितने स्मार्ट हैं.
Do it one more time. Show. Show. Now what?
चलो
Sure.
चालेगा
चालीस काम ना. यार इकडे
इथे करना.
40 वॉकिंग मीटर लाइन.
ये लो मस्त आपके बेड.
ए खीर
ये मेरा है.
खीर, once खीर.
Come with that.
तो you know how many cats she has
How many?
5
अरे बाप रे वाह
कल वही
नाइस.
इधर
Lara,
कल्याण
Lara are the parents. Puchu,
Ah.
Cherry, and Chiku are the babies.
कम चाली.
लारा तेरी भी है ना
हाँ Lara even I have.
इसकी भी
Even I have 2 cats in Amboli. One is Lara, one is Bruni.
घर में
Oh, where are they?
Amboli.
अंधेरी
अंधेरी में.
अच्छा,
yeah.
okay, okay.
ए कार्टून. चाली कम.
They're hungry?
खाएगी
ये खाती है खीर?
खाएगी हाँ
Of course they love.
हम लोग की नहीं खाती है बिल्लियाँ पर्शियन. ये लोग आई थिंक मिक्स है, हाइब्रिड है ना.
नहीं बट इट डज नॉट सूट देम तो हम लोग
और-
नहीं देते देख
वाओ. आज
रुक मैं टिश्यू लेती हूँ
वजह बैठ जाऊंगी.
What did my cats
कितने साल की है ये?
अभी मई में 2 होएगा.
2 होगा. Come.
क्या ये बाल में है क्या?
Coco is very active. Charlie is different.
Less active.
Oh, hello. Charlie is more active. Coco is less.
Coco is less. Yeah, she also told us.
How?
How means what?
Slow है वो. Hi. We'll feed them.
Okay, one food. Daddy, Coco, one food.
And Coco knows.
One food.
Coco knows.
Let her eat.
Let's Coco.
Will they close all the doors, please?
Okay.
So how to speak Marathi? Just English.
I don't know how to speak.
You don't know how to speak? मराठी यायला पाहिजे ना.
हिंदी मध्ये बोल.
हिंदी मध्ये बोल.
What?
खाना खाया.
मैं खाया, भात खाया, खाना खाया.
Oh my God, he doesn't know. He doesn't know Hindi. You don't know Hindi. You don't know Marathi.
We just met his tuition teacher down.
Yeah, what did she say?
I guess she went to buy Sikh.
Just English. चल तो US का माल है. इधर मत रह. You don't know Marathi. काही समजत नाही. मी काय बोलते ते पण समजत नाही.
I know what you're telling.
You understand?
Yes.
But you can't speak.
What?
थोडं थोडं शिक. मराठी यायला पाहिजे ना. कुठे राहतो आपण? महाराष्ट्रात राहतो ना. हो. He said हो.
इसका अच्छा लग रहा है देख.
Yeah.
तारीफ भी कर रही
This
है.
is मुझे इतना हक किया tightly because he remembers me. Simil भी याद
I
रहेगा.
know he hugs all girls tightly only.
एक
Yeah.
मिनट या चुप रहे.
तो he is the son of his father, no?
Then of course, no Hriday?
इसमें मम्मी के वो नहीं आया ना. Is all following your dad's का actions. पापा भी ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. When he meets his girlfriends. हैं?
है?
Papa has girlfriend? Yeah.
मीनो नो.
I don't know.
You don't know. Me don't know. He's trying to
Me
mix.
no no.
अच्छा.
That is a joke in my recess.
In
Oh,
recess.
recess. इन लोगों के sarcasm और memes नहीं समझते भाई क्या बोलते हैं.
So guys, this is where we end the vlog. Obviously today also we didn't play chess. हुआ ही नहीं. इतना नया वाला ला के रखा है अभी तक यूज किया ही नहीं. We'll play, yeah. And baby's friend had come in, but it was a short stay for her because she had to go back home and then she's leaving. She's going out of Bombay tomorrow, so then she will not be able to meet us. But I'm glad that she met Pooja. At least Pooja was missing her friends quite a lot, and she came and she went. That
I
was
have only
sweet.
2 besties and both of them.
One is in the US, one is in
Canada.
Canada. So ठीक है हो जाता है. That's fine. ठीक है. Now next time we should go there to meet them and visit them. That's what will be our target soon. ठीक है. So असं होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर
लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.
we are having ice cream now. Bye.